The brothers Whis. The brothers Whis, brothers Whis. The brothers Whis. The brothers.
You're now listening to Greg. It's the brothers Wisp. Let's take.
Hi, I'm Dan from Preseem. We're here at Wispapalooza again for another great show. If you don't know what Preseem is, we help service providers understand and improve the quality of experience in their network. We give them the tools to extract the quality directly from the subscribers' traffic, additionally pull information from network elements, combine all that together to tell you what parts of the network are delivering a good quality of experience, and give you the tools to fix the problems and improve delivery across all services.
How many shows have you been going to?
I think the first one we came to was in 2017 or 2018 with a little corner table. It was a kind of an added last-minute decision to come, but it's been great. These shows are amazing. Everyone's so friendly and helpful, and we built a lot of friends here over the years.
It's in this obviously you can't tell in the camera angle here, but this booth is certainly no longer a little table in the corner.
Yes, yeah. So we went from a little table in a corner to a nice big booth in the kind of the center aisle, and it's been good. We've had a lot of heavy traffic. It's nice to be able to have people kind of invite them into the space rather than expand into the halls and take over other people's space. So yeah, it's been a great transition over a few years, and it was sad to miss it last year.
Sure. And so then obviously you have built quite a successful company. I'm guessing you have something new.
Yes, we have some new things that we've been working on. So once we introduced user-level QoE, telling people about their experience from the customer's perspective, we heard from customers over and over again that they want to understand what's driving that. So the lower levels of what they need to improve in the network, and the fixed wireless network specifically, to make the customer experience better. And we're introducing a whole bunch of new scores and new tools to make that easier. So we're introducing very soon, so not yet available to all customers, but something we're going to be talking about a lot in the next couple months. We're introducing CPU radio metrics directly into Preseem. So that gives you the ability to debug what's happening on your customer radios without leaving Preseem. So you can go straight from QoE metrics into RF level metrics. And then on top of that, we're layering in a bunch of new scores, which are designed to make things easier to figure out what's happening. So many customers would say they would find the QoE problem in Preseem, they'd open up their Cambium or Ubiquiti tools and another screen and kind of correlate that manually in their heads. And we're trying to boil all that down to simple scores. So for every CPE radio, we give you a score on the RF quality, we give you a score on the business impact, which is a weighting of subscriber behavior and the RF quality, so you know which CPE radios you need to go fix. Same types of scores exist on access points as well. So you can immediately just sort all your access points and identify which ones have the worst RF problems and which ones are likely needed to be upgraded. So it's been a lot of data work, and this is really only possible because we have so many customers now that we can collect data and aggregate that into profiles and models and drive that back into these scores.
Okay, yeah, I don't expect you to reveal your secret sauce, but are you then polling the radio directly to figure this out, or is it still in your magic that you figure it out?
It's both, actually. So we extract a bunch of information from the radio elements, CPU radios as well, because we need to get frequencies and modulations and all that kind of information. We feed that back in along with our subscriber data to build those models that allow us to predict what is good and what is bad.
And so then I suspect then that you probably have, I mentioned earlier, a limited model support at the moment, but that it'll grow.
Yeah, so small number of models that cover most of the market. So we have most of the Cambium and Ubiquiti models working, which for our customer base is a substantial amount, and then over time we'll roll in the rest of the models that are less popular. But yeah, we're targeting to have over 80% working right out of the gate when we release the new features.
All right.
Yeah.
And so then what sort of timeline till this is available?
Timelines are always a dangerous thing to say on software projects.
Sure.
Early next year.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yeah, yes, viewers, don't hold them to it, but it's like, is it, I didn't know whether it was tomorrow at launch, or 4 years.
We're at the state where it's running, it works. We have some customers using it, sure. Beta and alpha customers, and we'll be expanding that out as we increase the scale now.
All right.
But we're pretty happy with the early results.
Good.
And if we have time for one more thing, my personal favorite new thing
sure.
is we've done a bunch of data modeling that we're able to now tell you how many subscribers each access point can handle. So converting airtime and throughput and all of our metrics down to a subscriber number, and you get a simple plus or minus that this subscriber is oversold by 5 or can take 5 new subscribers, and that's based on the local ISP's profile of their subscriber traffic. So that one's been a lot of data work, but I'm particularly excited to see how people use that.
Oh, sure. And that's something that, you know, I've always tried to achieve is that, yes, while various operators, you know, typically smaller shops, they are the highly skilled technicians that they don't need the hand holding, but that only scales so far.
Well, and it takes a lot of time to do that manually.
Sure. And so then, you know, whether it's you need to save time or you need to hire additional staff, but you can't expect them to have your knowledge level.
Right.
You know, this will allow someone to get to the same conclusion faster
without having the expertise and without having to jump to other tools. Yes,
Yeah.
that's absolutely the goal, and we'll see in the next few months, and hopefully we've hit that. So.
All right. Got anything else to throw at us, or is that it for the day?
No, it's been a great show. Obviously, very happy we won the Service of the Year award again. That was a surprise. I'm very, very happy that our customers appreciate us enough to keep nominating us and voting for us. So.
Sounds good. Sounds good. All right. Well,
Great.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
The brothers Whis. The brothers Whis, brothers Whis. The brothers Whis. The brothers.
You're now listening to Greg, it's the Brothers Wisp. Let's take a ride through space on this mothership. Wireless networking, we talk about equipment and methodology, so sit back and start learning. Lighting up the tower so people can start searching. Shooting up the web in neighborhoods, net surfing. We got horrible jokes, we're loud and annoying, but we're informative facts, we're not disappointing. Just give us a listen, cause fun is the mission. I'm telling you, you don't know what you are missing. Ideas and some good comedy given. If you missed the show already, don't worry, you're forgiven.